This time on Sailing Miss Lone Star, we commandeer several of our friends' houses to complete our upholstery project. I'm Aubrey. I've been living on a small boat for about 6 years. I recently bought a pirate ship, and right now she's waiting for masts and rigging in Washington. So in order to earn a few bucks to pay for the project, we've taken on a boat flip. It's a 1996 37 Hunter. Thank you so much to our patrons for making these videos possible. Okay, Joy, so on a scale of 1 to oh shit. Uh-oh.
We've got our work cut out for us, for sure.
Uh-oh.
We'll make it work.
Okay.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2.
I'm glad we have someone here that knows what the bleepity bleep they're doing. I'm good at drinking coffee and being encouraging. I'm gonna learn though. After this, I'm gonna be able to sew cushions. Right, Joy?
Yes, definitely.
It's confidence on her face right there.
Is the sun and it shines, says it open.
Yeah, your heart is the sun, and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is the sun and it shines, says it open.
Yeah, your bones are the earth, and they sing with the
Okay, we are all measured out. Can you see? Now we're gonna cut these cushions. I recommended using the saw in the corner. Joy said no. So we're going to use the handy dandy Sailrite foam saw. Super excited.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Say, why
inside?
would you look outside
Da-da-da-da.
yourself when you have all
Okay, that, my friends, is progress.
All of the world
your
inside.
mind is a space that creates your horizon.
Well, your mind
All of the foam has been cut, and I'm super stoked. I'm feeling like we're really making some progress. So let me show you what we did.
That creates your horizon.
Well, your mind is a space that creates your horizon.
You ready for this?
I'm ready for this, I think. I don't know what I'm agreeing to, but yes.
All of the world
Why
inside.
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why
inside?
would you look outside yourself?
After
when
laboring and toiling for hours, just kidding. No, we sewed these guys together with the batting. Woo, Vanna White. And we have those ones left to go. We've arrived at Phil's, and it is so cold outside. We've procured the mail. And we're gonna take in the seam stick to Joy. That's what she's been waiting on, and we're late. We were procrastinating getting off the boat because it was cold as hell.
And it's blowing 30 knots.
You're blowing 30 knots. We finished cutting all of the fabric at Phil's house. We begged and borrowed, looking for a living room or a garage floor to cut all of our fabric on. Our friend Phil was nice enough to let us use his living room. Okay, step one, getting back on the boat, let out all the critters. We've got a Freya up there, we just fed Billy Ray, and Atlas is out.
After another job well done, we decided to have a big beach bonfire and a barbecue on the beach.
Hello. Hello.
Billy Ray is on anchor duty at the moment.
Usually they do like sort of like you sink in a little bit. They're not as hard.
That looks like the most comfortable spot.
Pretty nice.
Table, we're gonna make it about the same height as this.
Well, we have to say goodbye to Joy. Joy has finished, and I'm sad because this means she's leaving and going home. But are you gonna come back?
I hope so.
I heard yes. So she did a beautiful job on the upholstery work inside of the Hunter, and I'm very happy. I learned so much, and now she has to go home before all the fun begins, which is very sad.
We'll have more fun later. Back in the Northwest.
You guys heard it. She said we're gonna have more fun. We're headed back to the Formosa. We're gonna do all sorts of stuff in the beautiful mountainside of the Puget Sound. Yeah, that's where we are. All right, we will see you guys next time on Sailing with Lone Star. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye.